These accounts will automatically navigate to the post you want, then like, react with love, and directly comment on that post. Finally, these accounts will share it to thousands of groups for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a tool that helps you automatically share your posts to thousands of groups. This is the software interface. The software will help you manage a large number of Facebook accounts. The more Facebook accounts you use, the more effective it will be. If you want to share a post, select the Share function. Here, you can choose to share a regular post or a live stream. First, you need to configure the settings for the software. Next, enter the ID of the post you want to share. This is the post that I want to share to the groups. I will copy the link of that post, then convert the link to a UID. After you have the UID, go back to the software and enter it. Next, set how many times you want each account to share the post by entering the number. And if you want the post to get more engagement, like more likes or love reactions, then make sure to check those options. And if you want the post to get more comments, you can check this option and add the comment content you want. Next, you'll select the groups where you want to share the post. If you don't know how to extract the groups yet, please check out my previous video. Next, enter the content you want to include when sharing the post. Finally, select the Facebook accounts and then click the Start button to let the software begin working. As you can see on the screen, the software automatically opens the Facebook accounts and logs them in for you. These accounts will automatically navigate to the post you want, then like, react with love, and directly comment on that post. Finally, these accounts will share it to thousands of groups for you. Let's go back to that post. As you can see, my post has gained more interactions, more comments, and many shares. If you want to buy the software, please message me right away.